You know how Legos have units like these that you can build on? So does the SI. They're called base units. There are 7 of them: meter, kilogram, seconds, ampere, candela, mole, and Kelvin. Some are familiar, of course. In some equations, we can combine base units to provide more detailed information about what we're measuring. We call those derived units. If you look at how far a car has gone in meters in a certain amount of time, in seconds, we see that the units come together to tell us the speed of the car in meters per second. This is a derived unit. In the United States, we don't generally use the metric system for everyday measuring. We use the imperial system of measurement, which uses feet, inches, pounds, and so on. But American scientists use SI units for their work. We can convert back and forth between SI and imperial units using conversion factors, which are multipliers that allow us to convert a quantity expressed in one kind of unit into an equivalent value expressed in another. Here's how that works. Let's look at converting from imperial to imperial first. We know that 12 inches equals 1 foot. We can represent this as 12 inches over 1 foot. This is our conversion factor, and we can use that to convert a number in feet to inches. How many inches are in 3 feet? We start by writing down 3 feet and multiplying it by our conversion factor, 12 inches over 1 foot. Our feet units cancel, leaving us with our answer, 36 inches. But what if we want to go from metric to imperial? Let's do a problem together where we can do that. Let's say we want to convert 24 centimeters into feet. First, write down the number we have, which is 24 centimeters. Next, multiply that number by a conversion factor. You may already know it, or you can look it up. Our conversion factor is 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. That will allow us to cancel out the units that are the same, in this case, centimeters. Remember that when you cancel, the units must appear on both sides of the dividing line. When you cancel out the centimeters, you're left with inches, but remember, we want to find our answer in feet. So you have to add another conversion factor to convert inches into feet. That conversion factor is 1 foot to 12 inches. When you cancel out your inches, you're left with feet, what we're solving for. Your last step is simple. You just multiply all of the numerators and divide by all the denominators. This will give you your answer, which tells us 24 centimeters is 0.79 feet.